Crazy. I look crazy. What's up, YouTube? It's the real Jen, y'all. TV screens, phone screens, whatever. It's true, and I'm back with a new video. As y'all could tell by the title, y'all gonna be watching me do my own lashes. I used to do lashes back in 2018, but I stopped. I kind of think I want to get back in the lashes scene. I don't really know, but I think I do. Y'all, I just did my hair by myself, so it may look a little... I think it look okay with me doing it. I think it look okay. But if it look, you know, y'all see something, just ignore it and work with me, because this is my second good, like almost good install I done did on myself. I found these at Dollar Tree. These Ioni lashes. I got the medium length. I got the long length, y'all see, and I also got the natural short length. Okay, y'all, I picked up 2 long packs and 2 medium packs and 1 short pack, and I also brought the Ioni lash glue, which I probably won't use because I don't know how it works, and I actually think I want to keep these lashes on for a while. Y'all, these lashes was $1, and these lash glue was $1. It might work good, I don't know, but I'm gonna use my handy dandy. Y'all, ignore my breakout. I'm going through something right now, but y'all, I'm gonna use my handy glandy hair bun glue. Use this hair glue. This the one if y'all actually want to use the one I use, but you don't have to use hair glue. There's lash glue that exists. This is a lash glue from Dollar Tree. I'm not using this lash glue. I just brought it just in case if I didn't have this glue at home, because I didn't know, because I don't like putting my lashes on. It's hard for me to wake up and put my lashes on every day. So I brought this glue. Well, I brought the lash glue from Dollar Tree because I didn't know if I had hair glue at home. So just in case I didn't, I brought that. But y'all, I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna get the long lashes in the corners of my eyes, and up here I'm gonna put the shorter lashes. Then I'm gonna mix medium and long in between. Y'all, you do not need all these packs. I've seen some people do their lashes with just 1 pack. My mom used these before. She used 2 packs on hers. So I think I need 3 because I'm gonna be mixing them up, and I want a like dramatic look. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to get a dramatic. I want it to look like I went and got my lashes done by somebody else. And they're gonna be like, oh, who did your lashes? And like, girl, me. So I'm about to start showing y'all what I do before I apply it. So to do your own lashes, you're gonna need some individual lashes, short, medium, long. You can get all sizes if you don't know what you want. You need some glue, lash glue, hair glue, whatever works for you. Do not buy professional lash glue. Don't get professional use glue thinking it's gonna stay forever, like the lash glue, because you will glue your eyes together, or it may be okay for a second, but later your eyes, baby, take my advice, okay? Take my advice. Arch my eyebrows. Well, I try to. I don't know how I came out. I really don't have much eyebrows. So y'all, wait, y'all, let me see the bob again. Hold on. Okay. Bob, what's your name? Stop playing again. You don't have no for the bob. It's 8 o'clock. I don't know how long this is gonna take me to do. Let me show y'all again. It's 8 o'clock. 8:08. 8:08. See, this is, I used to, okay. I got this bob installed before by my stylist. Y'all see? And it was in the middle part, and I haven't worn it since. So I put it back in. This is in the side part. And just give it something. Let me see how it look on camera. That'd be the truth. Oh, it look good on camera. Cause it look good on this camera, but I had to see my phone camera. You know how that go. Wait, let me go take a picture. Y'all add me on Snapchat. Add me on the Snap. So now it is 8:13. I'm using this to put the glue on, y'all, cause I'm ghetto. Right. So I'm about to just jump right in. I just put the glue on there. I'm using the long length first. Dip it in glue. Dip it in glue. Okay, y'all. Just that simple. Y'all see my breakout and everything. I'm letting y'all see my breakout and everything. So basically, y'all see how I put that under there. I'm gonna just put it like this. I just put the first lash on my eye. So now I'm gonna go and get, wait, I think I need to use, actually I don't even want to. So I'm gonna go get another long one. I was gonna mix them up, but I really don't think I gotta do that. I'll only go and add more if they're not thick enough for me, because I like my lashes like thick. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in. Oh, y'all, cut myself and ain't even know. But basically, you wanna go and apply that lash right underneath your eye, but not too close. See, right now I can't even feel these lashes on my eye. And basically that's what you want to do. I'm gonna open the medium and add this because as of right now this is not full enough for me. So I'm gonna be adding a medium in here too, just to see how that goes. And I have nothing going on, no occasion or anything, so yeah, I'm just doing this for nothing really. To do, if I didn't know if I had enough lashes or not, I would go and fill in spots on the eye, fill in spots on another eye, fill in spots on one, fill in another. But y'all see I have all of these lashes. So also, y'all, I don't like sleeping with lashes on, so I don't know how I'm gonna make this last a week or whatever I got planned. I really don't know how. I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. But that is the goal. That is my goal, to wear these for more than a week. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Wait, can y'all see it? Okay, y'all, so I got a long lash, a long lash, a medium lash, a long lash. So they're still not as thick as, hold on. They're not as thick as I want them at the moment, but not as thick as I want them at the moment, but I can still add more to them, so it's not that bad. I'll continue to do my lashes and you guys can just watch. But basically I did a long lash, short, a medium lash, and then a long lash. Let me make sure I was reading. Oh no, that was short actually. So I'm actually gonna open medium because I want it medium. I want medium, not short, medium. Let me take a picture so I can do me a thumbnail. Okay, so I got me a thing so I can make me a thumbnail. Y'all, I'm definitely gonna be having to go back in with these. And so y'all, this is how they're looking so far. But y'all, this is how they're turning out. I got to add more and do more, and I want my lashes bigger. So I will be back. Well, I'll let y'all just watch me do it the rest of the way. I already explained how to do it, so you guys just watch me do it the rest of the way. This is my eye so far. I'm about to get ready to do the inner corners. So, hold on. I'm about to get ready to do the inner corners. So I'm only going to be using my medium length lashes and short to make them fuller. So basically I place one lash on my eye and then I add another one on top of the one I just placed. But I placed it on the line where the lashes connect. So I'm getting in the corner. Yeah, in the corners. I'm placing it. Y'all can't even see. I'm placing it right, not too close to my waterline or whatever it's called. I don't know, but close enough. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Close, but not too close. I need them a little bit more for okay, y'all, so this is my lashes right now. Ooh. Blink too soon. But yeah, y'all, I see this one kind of like leaning, but I'm trying to show y'all a side view. Okay, y'all, so location change. We're in my sister's room using her vanity. So I'm basically, I think I'm done with this eye. I think it's really nothing else I could do with that eye. If y'all don't want to go through all this, obviously you can just buy some strip lashes, because you know they sell strip lashes too in the same brand, and they look nice. They look nice, like you can get away with them. But they say they 3D curls, that's what they say. From the side, I feel like from the side this looks pretty. It looks pretty from the side, but I can't see from the side unless I take a picture, which is what I kind of seen in the mirror. I look crazy. I look crazy.
I look so crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. No, I'm gonna post this video. Y'all, excuse these faces I didn't making, but I did. Cause y'all can see my breakout.
Like when you watch vanity reviews and it makes you want a vanity?
No, I never watched the vanity review.
I did. Couple.
What made me want a vanity is yours. it.